Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I was teching this airsoft gun. The problem with it was that it only shot in full auto, and by which I mean when you put it on semi it would still shoot full auto. How I solved this issue is there's a little spring right around here for the selector lever. I think it's a little too squished, so I stretched it out just a tiny bit, put it back in, and now we have semi-auto again. So that's how I fixed mine. Might be different for yours, but if it helps, leave a like and a comment. See ya.